Today I'm at Creatorfest. It's still quite early in the morning now. A lot of people are here, but most of the brands and some of the talks are already started. I want to show you how it looks like being in a creator conference, how I talk to the creators, getting them on board with Oona. Let's go. To help YouTube creators. Hey mate, I'm a car, WhatsApp or an email. We'll do the break.
But definitely, maybe you're the one that's gonna wake me up.
Wake up!
Yeah, I need to. I TikTok or Instagram. You can put them on YouTube.
Everyone needs to eat.
Everyone needs to eat, yeah. So everyone's a target. Yeah.
That's great.
It's funny. But dumb yourself down. It's really cool.
Oh, thank you so much. I love it.
You gotta show yourself off.
Sure. I'm letting the energy in.
Yeah, you have to take it in, definitely. I mean, there's so many people here that would find like your stuff really useful.
What's your name?
Lauren Labour.
What do you do?
So I do food, recipe, home and lifestyle content. I'm on Instagram and TikTok, and yeah, love it here at Creatorfest.
Awesome. So if you have one advice for new creators, or creators want to be, what would you give them?
So kind of two things. The first one is don't worry about like what other people are going to think of you. Just do it, and they'll see you progress, and then you'll feel so good in yourself. And the other thing is be experimental. So if something's not working for you, just try something else, and you know you'll see if it works. And then just keep trying different things and just have fun with it, and then people will want to follow you because of like who you are. I think. Yeah.
You speak to my heart. I love it. No one will see you in this angle. You can just see your nostrils.
I can do a little something like that, yeah?
Do you find it funny that people recognize you on the street?
You know, it's funny, I haven't had as many people recognize me in London. It's crazier than most other places.
Right.
Like I was in Rome last summer and it was crazy in Rome, and it's not as crazy in London, which is kind of crazy to me.
But maybe it's a fresh air for you.
Yeah, you know, but it happens. I would say maybe like once an hour, so it's not too bad.
Okay, that's cool. Wow. Yeah. Really nice meeting you, man. I'll be in. It's lunchtime, the vibe is great, everybody's out for lunch and networking. So it's really nice to be here in such good weather and a great venue. Let me show you a little bit. The day has been great. Talk to as many creators as possible. I haven't get a chance to really talk to agencies, but everybody I talk to, they're so open to hear more about Oona. So I think that's a really good sign. And people really pull their heart out when they hear about A/B testing on YouTube. They're just happy that things like Oona exist, having a solution that works and gives them results. It's very refreshing to hear all the feedback and their thoughts on the creator space. I'm very happy to be here. The plan is to really connect with as many people as possible. I never try to sell hard. I think it's more important to build a relationship. Just like making friends, you want to be able to like the person, trust the person, and your relationship blossom. That's always been my approach, and I try to do that here as well. So I'm very excited to see how far I can go, how many people I can connect with. Of course, I want to, generate leads, generate revenue. But I think those things would come naturally if you have a good relationship foundation. Hey!
Yeah.
But are you on YouTube though?
Not yet, but soon.
That's good. Okay.
I got some ideas in the works. I'll use your platform.
No, sounds good. I care about it. I want to learn as much as I can. Yeah, and it's always a good practice to learn how to talk about your product and also talk about the potential.
How come you decided to go solo? Because normally, like, one founder is technical and one founder is sales.
Yeah.
When you do both, it's difficult, right?
It's difficult, but I think it's good fun. You can be a very productive founder if you just know how to use the tools. I want to maximize freedom. I want to maximize what I want to build and how I want to approach it.
Yes, of course, I take a genuine approach when I'm trying to close our clients.
Yeah.
But I also structure for the optimal area where it's like,
Absolutely.
I meet this person. Yes, if it makes sense, I will close them.
Yeah.
If it doesn't make sense to them, I won't force it. However, in a product like yours, for almost everyone, it has to make sense. Therefore, you have to close everyone.
Yeah.
Which means, it gets overwhelming when it comes to building new products and like selling the shit out of it.
Yeah, exactly. Now I'm heading to a creator dinner hosted by a company called Uscreen. There's gonna be some content creators and influencers. One of my buddies works there. He was kind enough to invite me over, so I'm excited to see what it's about. Let's see. We'll have a great dinner, good talks. It was a fun day. I was a little nervous going into the event because I wasn't prepared at all. Usually I will find a few people that I want to talk to and schedule a meeting with them so that I know definitely I will be able to make a few connections out of this event. But this time I was so focused on building oona for the past 6 weeks. I just didn't have enough to make sure I prepare for the event. But it turned out amazing. I don't know, I just kind of told myself, hey, try to talk to the first person and then it will be easier from that. And that's what I did. And then it was just a full day of networking, talking to creators, invite them to know more about oona and listen to how they create, what's their problems. I'm happy how it turned out. I met so many very open-minded, like very genuine people. That's what I really like. And this is a pure effort. You spend time and energy into it, so you just want to make sure that the time you spend on talking to the right people. This is exactly the things that doesn't really scale. To make SaaS work, B2C pricing, like very low price range, you need a mass. You need a lot of users. That's why people want to do like 1,000 email outreach at a time and everything automated. What Paul Graham said in one of his essays really hit home with me. Do the things that don't scale first. It's especially true when you try to break into a market that you have zero connection. I'm new to the market, I'm new to the entrepreneurial scene as well, so it makes it harder for people to know about oona. I'm still in the phase where I'm just trying to get the first group of users, and I really want it to be the first 100 true fans. The people who really love oona, the people who really wants their friends to know about oona, so that we can start creating a word of mouth, so people start recommending oona to their network. That's what I really want. It's not a scalable strategy at the moment, but it's a meaningful one. I'm just very happy and very grateful to be able to do this. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It's the best way to support my journey and this channel. I'll see you next time. Ciao.